before class we studied about the basics of trigonometry, just like cos theta, tan theta and ratio. Today I tell you an interesting concept that if you give me one side length and theta, I can find all side length by using this. If some example, I take theta is equal to 30 degrees and the side of opposite is, suppose I take 4, right? Then I can find all sides, just see it. Okay, what is sin theta? First we take sin theta because there is given opposite is there, opposite ratio is there in sin theta. Because I taking this, just you think what ratio I want to take. If the given data is this, okay, I will take it. Opposite means 4 by hypotenuse. If we are finding first hypotenuse, right, we take it as x. Okay, then sin 30 is equal to how much? 1 by 2, right? Then 4 x. If we cross multiply it, then we get x is equal to 8. Then hypotenuse length is 8, just like this. If I want adjacent, right? Okay, adjacent is there in cos theta. Okay, I will take cos theta. Cos theta means what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. We get hypotenuse length, then we put it 8 and adjacent length x. Suppose we finding adjacent length today, cos 60 is equals to cos 30 is equals to root 3 by 2, right? If we take root 3 by 2, x by 8 means we get if we cross multiply we get root 3 into 8 is equals to 2x. Then x is equals to, by dividing by both side by 2, we get x is equals to 4 root 3. Then it is adjacent side, it is hypotenuse. This is some magic of trigonometry. That thing we give only two data, and okay, we can find another angle. Yes, we can find absolutely. Just think, total the sum of angles in triangle is 180 degrees. Like it is a right angle triangle, it is confirmed, because in trigonometry we will only study about right angle triangle. Just we taking 90 degrees first plus the given angle is 30 degrees. Then we want to find another angle, just we take it as y is equal to 180. Then by taking the another side, we get 180 minus 120, it is y is equals to 60 degrees. Just how, look, this is magic. Okay, today we understand this much. We understand about the angles and how we want to use and what sides and everything. Okay, we come to basic identities. We can find so many identities in this, and trigonometry is lot of formulas is there in intermediate. But I want to tell you up to 10th class. After we discuss about inter syllabus, first 10th. Okay, 10th is, I think, the most easiest syllabus, because if you see the inter trigonometry, it is very complicated sometimes. That it is not hard but complicated to understand. It is something advanced level, and the 10th we think that it is very hard. In 10th the trigonometry is very hard, but it is easy compared to intermediate. Okay, then we start it. Okay, first we use Pythagoras theorem. We are studying from small classes, right? First, what is Pythagoras theorem? Opposite square plus hypotenuse square plus is equals to, sorry, I am also forget it. What am I? Opposite square plus adjacent square is equal to hypotenuse square. It is simple, right? If I draw a triangle first, okay, we take this A, this is B, and this is C, right? Then we can write it as A. I am taking this as opposite and this is adjacent. Okay, just this is theta. That okay, A square plus b square is equals to c square, right? Hmm? Right. If we divide all 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 sides with this side and this side with c square, we get a by c whole square plus b by c whole square is equals to c square by c square is equal to 1, right? It is a very simple. A by c, then it is this opposite. A means opposite, right? Here is a opposite by c is hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse, what is sine square? Sine theta. Then sine theta square, sine square theta plus b adjacent by hypotenuse, right? Just read and copy. This simple, very easy concept. Cos square theta is equals to 1. It's one of the basic identities in trigonometry. With using these identities, we can find another two identities, right? Okay. Today we are finding and we are going to find another two identities. First we write this identity, okay? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, right? This identity is this, okay? Then we write, if we divide the whole equation, the whole identity with sin square theta first, okay? Sin square theta, we get a we get we get a this thing. Okay. Sin square theta by sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta is equals to 1 by sin square theta. Same thing, 1 by sin square theta, what is this? Simple. Inverse of sine is cos, then it is cosec square theta, right? Okay. Cos square theta by sin square theta, cos by sin, it is cot square theta, and this is 1. This is one of the basic identity, and we can write it as cot square theta minus cosec square theta is equals to 1. And third equation, just simple. You can understand by seeing this. In third entity, we are going to divide with cos square theta. Yes, absolutely, we are going to divide with cos square theta only, okay? Cos square theta first, then we divide first, divide, okay? For sin square theta by cos square theta first, plus cos square theta by cos square theta equals to 1 by cos square theta. You know 1 by cos square theta is equal to what? Yes, you are thinking right. There is sec square theta. It is right. Sec square theta and cos square theta is cancelled, and we get 1, and sin square by cos square. What is this? Yes, it is tan square theta. In a 10th, we will study this much. By this, we complete the 10th syllabus of trigonometry, and it is the basics of trigonometry. And in 10th, there is only we are introduced for trigonometry only. We not study advanced trigonometry. In inter first year, second year, we study advanced trigonometry. Here we study about multiple angles and many more things. Bye, and see you later.